How to fix Airbnb app not working on Samsung phone. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down, and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down and search Airbnb app. From here you will see Airbnb app is here. Click on Airbnb app. If you want to fix Airbnb problem, click on storage and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, click on clear data. After the process, you will see your problem is solved. So if it's still not solved, so reinstall your Airbnb app. After reinstall, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix Airbnb app not working on Samsung phone. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.